Hello, everyone, and welcome to BioPassionate. The Department of Pre-University Education has recently released blueprints and model question papers for Class 12. Excitingly, they've finally included a significant number of higher-level integrated questions. Let's dive in and solve the multiple-choice questions and fill in the blanks from Biology Model. Question Paper 1. Question number 1, Statement I, apomixis is the production of seeds from unfertilized ovules. Statement 2, embryos produced from apomictic seeds are not generally identical to the parent plant. The answer is option A, statement I is true, statement 2 is false. 2. Choose the correct option from the table given below for the formation and dissolution of the labeled part in the given diagram. The answer is option D, formed by secondary oocyte and dissolved after fertilization. 3. Out of the options given below, choose the correct stage for transfer to the fallopian tube for successful IVF results. The answer is option A, embryo up to 8 blastomeres. 372% recombinant, Drosophila progeny obtained in the Th. Morgan's dihybrid cross experiment with the phenotypes red eye color, normal body, and white eye color. Miniature body is due to. The answer is option C, loosely linked and longer distance between genes. The number of nucleotide pairs present in the DNA of the primary oocyte of a newborn in human. The answer is option B, 6.6 times 10 to the power of 9. 6. The factors that affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium are listed below. The answer is option B, 2, 3, and 4. 7. Interferons are most effective in making non-infected cells resistant against the spread of which of the following diseases in humans? The answer is option A, AIDS. 8. The human host cells in which the gametocytes of malarial parasite develop are. The answer is option C, erythrocytes. 9. Which of the following water samples in the table, given below, will have a higher concentration of organic matter? The answer is option A, high level of pollution, high value of BOD. 10. The steps of recombinant DNA technology are given below. The answer is option D, 11. DNA in a clone of cells followed by detection using autoradiography is called. The answer is option B, probe. 12th. Jiva was growing a bacterial colony in a culture flask under ideal laboratory conditions, where the resources sooner or later become limiting. Which of the following equations will represent the correct growth in this case? The answer is option C. 13. Which of the following food chains is the major conduit for the energy flow in terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems respectively? The answer is option A, terrestrial, grazing, aquatic, grazing. 14. Which of the following is not an example of in situ conservation? The answer is option D, seed bank and botanical gardens. 15th. Exploration of molecular, genetic, and species-level diversity for novel products of economic importance is. The answer is option C, bioprospecting. Second main. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate word choice or words from those given below. 16. The interstitial space in seminiferous tubules consists of immunologically competent cells. 17. The version of biogenesis is accepted by majority as the first form of life arose slowly through evolutionary forces from non-living molecule. 18th. Filariasis pathogens are transmitted to a healthy person through vectors. 19th. Swiss cheese with large holes is produced from bacteria. 20. The host cells which have the ability to incorporate foreign DNA within them are called competent cells.